Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. So today we are going to see how to use this Excel advanced packages in the automation anywhere. So let's get started, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you'll get all the notifications. Okay, so whenever I have uploaded the new video. Okay, so let's get started. So we'll see all the Excel advanced packages in the automation anywhere. So open, close, create workbook, create worksheet, and get row number. Okay, how to use these packages in automation anywhere we'll see. So let me open this automation anywhere and we'll create one task bot here. Okay, so I'll give task name as Excel Advance Part 1 I'll give because so many options are available in the Excel Advance. So we'll see one by one. Okay, so now you just type. Okay, so just type Excel in the action. So here you can see a lot of actions are available in this Excel Advance. So we'll see one by one. So as of now, so in the today's session we are discussing only 5 commands in this action. So we'll see first one is open, right? So how to open that Excel file we'll see. So just double click on this open, and then so here we are having option to control room file or variable or desktop file. So we'll use this desktop file, and so I'll go back to this folder path here. So I'll take this, so right click and copy as path. So this file I need to open. Okay, I'm giving the file path here, and I'm removing double quote from starting and ending of this file path, and sheet contents header I'll give. Okay, session name is default. So open, and now I'll use the second command, that is close. Close, all in this close we need to give the session name of this open Excel. Okay, that session name is default here, and for close we are giving default. So just run this. So you'll get to know. So bot is running this task and opening the Excel file and closing the Excel file. Okay, it has opened the Excel file and it is closed. Okay, so now we'll see how to create a worksheet. Okay, create a workbook first. So here I'll just disable these two lines. So now we'll see. Okay, before that we'll add one comment. The comment section, create workbook. Create workbook. Okay, and after this, and again you can just type Excel and then create workbook command you take. Note this, create workbook. Okay, so here you need to give the file path. So I'll just give file path. Okay, so what I will do here is, so I'll change the file path. So because it has to create a new file. Okay, so what I'll give, inside this text file folder, RPA text file folder, it has to create employee.xlsx file. Okay, that sheet name is employee I'll give. Okay, default session name is default. Then, so here before that you can see here is, in this path we don't have that employee sheet. Okay, it has to create the employee workbook here in this folder. So let's see, I'll run this, or else I'll open this file was. So once the bot run is started, after once it is completed, automatically file will get created here. I mean that workbook will create in this path. See here, I'll just close. It has created this employee XLSX, and it has given the sheet name as employee. Here you can see it is created, right? Employee XLSX. It is empty. Now employee sheet is created. Now we'll create one more sheet, student, in this file. So how to create that? So take this, I'll just copy this, then I'll give how to create worksheet. Okay, take this worksheet, how to create worksheet. The sheet name I'll give student. Okay, save this. Now I will delete this employee file. So now again I'll run this. Now it has to create the employee workbook and then student worksheet inside that workbook. See, it has created employee and that student sheet as well. Correct? So after this, so here you can see, I'll close this. While closing, it will ask save and down. So I'll click on don't save. And here, if you reopen this employee sheet, so it has only employee because we are not saving that, right? So we'll see that save command as well. Okay, save workbook. Also, I will use this. Okay. Now again, go back to this folder. I'll delete this. Okay. So now, what it will do? It will open the. It will create a workbook, create a worksheet student, and then save it and close. It has created the employee workbook and student worksheet, and also it saved it because it is not asking that. So now I'll reopen this employee. It has both the sheet name student and employee. Okay, that's how we need to use Excel Advance command like open, close, create workbook, create worksheet, and save workbook. So now we'll see one more command we are having, right? Open, close, create workbook, create worksheet is done, and also save workbook is also done. Now get row number. How to use that get row number? We'll see. We'll comment out these lines. Okay, and here I'll take these two lines. Okay, so it is opening the employee details file. So that employee details file is this one, this employee details form from text file. Okay, so here we are having some data inside this file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows are there, and including this header close command inside after opening. So I will use this command get row number, get row number. Okay, here we need to create one variable vxl row number. We'll create it, and after that, so we need to display inside that message box. Okay, but so it is a digit, right? So we have created the variable with digit, but it will not display here. We'll see. See, we have created that Excel row number, right? VXL row number. Now run the bot. So it will open the Excel file and it has to display the number of lines are available in this.